Hey, Mr. Williams here. Very exciting week this week. We have our brand new schedule starts today, so please make sure you pick up a copy of that in the file section at the top, and make sure you come into your new class times. Also, our new lesson of the month. We're going to be talking about attitude all month long. All right, and later on today, I'll post something up in the parent section, up in that file section as well. Give you a little bit more information about exactly what we'll be talking about for the month of attitude. Okay. We have our new kickboxing classes that have started this week. We had 2 this morning. We got 1 this evening at 6 p.m. Remember, for the entire month of February, come in, check those classes out, let us know what you think. This week, my beginner students, we're going to be working on your back fist and reverse punching combination now. You're going to be working on front leg round kick. You'll also be working on your self-defense, which is cross hand wrist grab and bear hug. And then we'll be working on our new traditional block. Our new traditional block is going to be our traditional technique as a Kumasi stance. Okay. For my intermediate advanced, along with the sparring this week, don't forget to bring your bags in with you. We'll also be working our belt rank basics and our self-defense. All right, so look forward to seeing everyone in class this week. Have a great day.